In this lecture, we'll discuss two important concepts: context length and the number of parameters in large language models. Let's start with context length. Context length refers to how much text a language model can process at once when generating the next word. In other words, it defines the size of the input the model can consider to produce the following output. For example, suppose you ask, "Tell me something about llama." This sentence contains 6 tokens. Now, imagine the model has already generated 2 tokens as part of its response. When it predicts the next word, it uses both the original prompt and the previously generated words as input. In this case, the total context length becomes 8 tokens. So, context length determines how much information the model can handle in one go. Older generative models could manage around 5 tokens at a time, while newer transformer models are capable of processing much longer sequences, allowing them to maintain better context and coherence across extended conversations or documents. Now, let's talk about parameters. Parameters are the internal values, the weights and biases that a neural network adjusts during training to improve accuracy. The more parameters a model has, the more patterns it can learn, but it also requires greater computational power and data. For instance, GPT-1 was trained with about 170 million parameters. GPT-2 increased that to 1.5 billion. GPT-3 expanded further to around 175 billion, and newer models like GPT-4 are estimated to have hundreds of billions of parameters. Besides paid models such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, there are also open-source versions like Llama, which come in multiple sizes, 7, 13 billion, and even 65 billion parameters. These models continue to advance in accuracy and performance, especially in areas like reasoning, mathematics, and language understanding. To summarize, context length defines how much input the model can consider at once, while parameters determine its learning capacity and overall intelligence.